Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we discussed the Renaissance movement. We talked about its origin, its timeline, major influences and the writers right from the morning star of the Renaissance till the last major Renaissance writer. In this video, we'll move one step forward and we'll discuss the most important one-liners on the Renaissance movement. By the end of this video, you will have a clear and solid understanding of the Renaissance in a concise and exam-oriented way. So let's begin. Renaissance was a cultural and intellectual movement signifying the rebirth of classical learning. The revival or rebirth of classical learning is known as Renaissance, friends, who is called the morning star of Renaissance for introducing realism and the English vernacular. It is Geoffrey Chaucer, friends. Geoffrey Chaucer is morning star of Renaissance. Besides this, he is also called the father of English poetry, and this name was given to him by John Dryden. Blank is known as the evening star of Renaissance for perfecting the grand Renaissance epic in Paradise Lost. John Milton. John Milton was the last major Renaissance poet. This is why he is called evening star of Renaissance. He is known for his work Paradise Lost. Renaissance is usually said to have begun in which country? It was Italy, friends, who set up a press at Westminster where he published, among many other books, Chaucer's Canterbury Tales and Malory's Les Mortes d'Arthur. It was William Caxton, friends. William Caxton was the person who installed first English press at Westminster in the year 1476, friends. Renaissance was rebirth of classical learning of ancient Greece. Renaissance movement gave a new conception of man that was called Humanism, friends. Blank, the French historian, first used and defined the term Renaissance. Jules Michelet. Blank is the morning star of Reformation. The person who is called morning star of the Reformation is John Wycliffe. He is known for the first translation of Bible that came in 1382. Blank is the country where the invention of printing press first took place, Germany. In 1440s and in 1476 it came in England, when William Caxton installed first printing press in England. While the Renaissance was a cultural movement, the Reformation was a religious movement, friends. While Chaucer was the morning star of the Renaissance, Wycliffe was the morning star of the Reformation. Petrarch and Boccaccio are connected with which kind of Renaissance? Italian Renaissance, friends. The English Renaissance is said to have started with King Henry VII's accession to the throne in 1485. Blank is the term used to refer to the followers of Wycliffe. Wycliffe's followers are called Lollards. Historically, the English Renaissance is said to have begun in the reign of Henry VII, then under which king it developed strongly, and after that it reached its peak in Elizabethan age. Henry VIII. England officially broke with the Catholic Church during the reign of, the answer again will be Henry VIII. Humanism was a central intellectual movement of Renaissance. The Renaissance poet who is known as poet's poet is Spenser, and the person who called Spenser poet's poet was Charles Lamb, friends. Renaissance reached its glorious flowering during the Elizabethan age. Constantinople fell to the Ottoman Turks under Sultan Muhammad II in which year? 1453. During the Renaissance movement, John Lilly, Christopher Marlowe, Thomas Kidd, Robert Greene, George Peele and Thomas Nash emerged as writers known as university wits. Blank is called the child of Renaissance. and is famous for his aphoristic and epigrammatic style. Who is this writer? This writer is Sir Francis Bacon. Bacon is also called the father of English essays, friends. The most famous Renaissance dramatist, Shakespeare wrote his plays in which verse? He used blank verse. Blank verse is iambic pentameter line. Who was the first to use blank verse in English poetry? It was Henry Howard, friends. He is also called Earl of Surrey. With this, I end today's class, friends. Thank you very much.